What was the highest production? 1984. 53,000 were produced in 84. Okay? But it was 1 year only on the Crossfire for the 4th Gen. It had so many 1 year only parts that you were fighting it. You were fighting to get parts for it. But that's not only part of it. That's only part of the situation. We're actually dealing with misdiagnosis in the field that yields replacement parts, parts after parts after parts, and your car is still not fixed correctly. It's not just about the parts you obtain. It is about the accuracy and the diagnosis to make sure you're replacing the right part the first time. Okay? That's also part of this. Soft designs can also create fast usage of parts. Soft designs, I'll give you a perfect example. 85 to 91, 2-port L98s. I saw a beautiful one out here earlier. Fuel injectors. Ethanol created all sorts of problems for 85 to 91. Till Multec 2 was introduced, we had issues. Crossfire in 84 with the L83. We had problems there as well. So we're going to try and discuss this, and we're also going to go into more detail. But the key part is the vehicle design. Why did I put up a 6th Gen Z06 caliper? Because that is the only braking system that was made only for Corvette. It is not in any other line. It's not in Camaro. It's not in any other vehicle model. None. So you're looking at 2006 to 2013. Both Grand Sport, Z06. Less than 200,000 produced. What do? Parts availability is also key as to, are there other vehicles that use the same parts that maybe we can use in cross-reference? There's parts to that as well. Now, 84 to 96, we're going to start. How many own 4th Gen? Okay, 2, 4, 6, okay, 7. L98 fuel injectors. They are now stocking through General Motors. Why is that important? Because there's so many aftermarket fuel injectors out there. One reason only. When you have injectors installed at certified service, they are guaranteed for life. After 1 year, you were only paying labor to install. And at $160 to $180 a piece, depending on your year, they better be guaranteed for life. Right? I mean, really. Okay, 2 manufacturers are now working on validation weather strips for 4th Gen. How many of us 4th Gen owners have weather stripping that's cracking like crazy and doesn't seal worth a damn? Pardon me, sir. Okay, well, I will give you a little bit of a service tip. You guys all remember me talking about weather strip lubricant, and many of you have heard this before. 3634770. This little bottle is $82 a bottle. But follow me on this. It's based on a DuPont Krytox base, and here's the thing. I have one bottle that I can do over 100 cars. Okay? Basically, take a latex glove, put it on your hand. Put a little bit on your fingertips, massage it into the weather stripping. Now, if the weather stripping is already cracked, you're done. Don't waste your time. But this was the only weather strip lubricant that would not break down the vinyl skin on the 4th Gen weather strips. Those who were putting silicone on there actually speeded up the degradation of the weather strip because silicone and vinyl do not mix. Okay? That's why this is so important. And you could use this on any vehicle in any line, in truth. Because I've used this on my buddy's Ferrari 388. I've used this on his F40, his F50. No problems. You can use this on anything. But once again, massage it into the weather strip, let it sit about an hour, give or take, then wipe it off with a microfiber or a cotton towel, okay? Very simple. But like I said, I have one bottle that's already done over 100 cars. Okay? So 80 divided into 100, that ain't so bad. You follow me? Considering the A-pillar weather strip was already up over $300. And you know the only one who's got one left? Fred Beans, Pennsylvania. So, let us continue on. Intake manifold gaskets. Believe it or not, 2-port is still available to this day, and I can actually get intake manifold gaskets for the throttle body Crossfire L83. They still make them, thankfully, and they're still stock available.